Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion aesthetic. First, select a consistent color palette to ensure your workspace looks cohesive and professional. Next, personalize your pages by adding custom icons and engaging cover images. Organize your content effectively using clear headings and toggles to maintain a clean, structured layout. Finally, enhance functionality and visual interest by embedding useful widgets such as clocks or weather displays. To further customize your Notion workspace, begin by utilizing columns to divide your pages into visually appealing sections. Experiment with different text sizes and fonts to enhance readability and establish a unique aesthetic. Incorporate dividers and callout blocks to create clear visual separation between different content areas. For databases, consider using the gallery view to prominently display images and make your information more engaging. Integrating visual elements can significantly elevate your Notion's aesthetic. Add engaging GIF and short videos to bring your pages to life and capture attention. Always use high-quality stock photos for professional and appealing cover images. Consider creating custom banners with graphic design tools to reflect your personal brand or theme. You can also embed multimedia like Spotify playlists or YouTube videos for a richer experience. Maintaining a clean and organized workspace is crucial for a lasting aesthetic. Regularly archive old or unused pages to prevent clutter and keep your Notion streamlined. Standardize your naming conventions to ensure consistent organization across all your pages. Utilize templates to maintain a uniform design and structure, saving you time and effort. Finally, periodically review and update your aesthetic to keep your workspace feeling fresh and inspiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.